Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information from Thursday, December 3rd, and for Friday, December 4th. During our live Google Meet on Thursday, December 3rd, we reviewed a couple of items from earlier the week. We went into Wednesday's activity, which was Reading Guide Part A, which looked like this. We answered any questions that student has had, and during the live Google Meet, we also, together did the last part, which was how Egyptian society was organized. So together, we filled in the social class notes for each social class in ancient Egypt. So we filled in nobles, priests and officials, scribes, merchants and artisans, farmers, servants, and slaves. So if students have any questions about those, they're more than welcome to touch base with me. Those answers especially came from the last page of the reading, which also had the chart on there. So we went over that from the day prior, and then we went into Thursday's reading guide, which was pretty simple. So that was in Thursday the 3rd's folder, which was the charcoal gray color. Open that up, and that looked like this. And Thursday's reading guide was simply about religion. And Egypt is a polytheistic society, meaning they believed in many gods. So that's the crux of a lot of the questions here. And then the final part dealt with 3 of the great pharaohs in ancient Egypt: Hatshepsut, Thutmose III, and Ramses II. And all 3 of those were addressed in the final page of the reading as well on this one. And all students had to do was find a piece of piece of text evidence that supported the following claim: Hatshepsut, Thutmose III, and Ramses II were great and powerful Egyptian rulers. They just needed to find a quotation from the reading that supported that claim. So any quote from the reading that supported that they were a great ruler, they could copy and paste and put into their documents. And then the final thing we did as a class was we focused on Friday's activity, which was a journal activity. So students went to Friday, which was the white folder, clicked on this and opened it up, and it opened this document. And it tells them to log into BrainPop through Clever, and they should search for the Egyptian pharaohs video. And after watching the video, it says students should now pretend that they are visiting ancient Egypt. They should write a paragraph in their journal describing at least 3 responsibilities of the Egyptian pharaohs, and be sure to tell how the pharaoh impacted the lives of the ancient Egyptians. So students will watch the Egyptian pharaohs BrainPop.
I know. How cool would it be to be pharaoh? Dear Tim and Moby, I'm trying to find out information on the pharaohs in Egypt. Can you help me? From Justine.
So students will finish watching that, and based on the information from the BrainPop, they're going to, in a paragraph, tell me at least 3 responsibilities of the pharaoh, or things that the pharaoh was in charge of. And I gave them a final reminder that this is a product grade, so they should treat it like a quiz or a test, and make sure that that gets submitted by Sunday. So the remainder of the Google Meet was to work on these 3 activities, finishing up Wednesday's reading guide, to work on today's reading guide, which was the religion questions. And if students were ready and able to work ahead, students watched the BrainPop and began their journal activities. So as students work on Friday the 4th, if you have any questions for me, feel free to shoot me an email. I will be happy to get back to you. If you have any other questions, I'll be happy to work with you. I hope you have a fantastic Friday and a great weekend. I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, everybody.